Okay, whores, we're gonna start with the eyes. Damn, I'm real close. Usually, like, if I'm doing like a real colorful look, I would like to have the eyebrows already done, but we're just gonna do this is how I do my eyebrows basically, because the truth is I don't know how to do it. The truth is I never. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a spring, like a high fashion spring look or whatever. It's gonna be super cute. I literally had a Red Bull refresher from Scooters and then I'm having the rest of my iced coffee. I gotta stop doing shit like that, bro. We're gonna start off with the Juvia's Place eye primer in the shade 1. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some to the back of my hand. Actually, you know what I like to do, bro? I've started like priming my eyes like before priming my eyes literally. I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I really love this primer on the eyes just because I feel like it makes everything lay down so much easier, and so I kind of just drag that all the way down. Honestly, go ahead and just pat in the primer because it'll probably be better. I don't know why the fuck I was rubbing my eye like that. In the inner corner of the eye, stamp the product right there. And you can kind of be a little extra with it too. Just take it up and keep blending. Go ahead and kind of just go up. Stop trying to be perfect. We're gonna go ahead and just apply this all over the lid basically. You want to do that like right below the brow. Tapping motions with the flattest girl, what the fuck? The flattest brush you can find. We're gonna go ahead and blend this out. Oh damn, okay, I just fucked that up. I'm just like kind of going under the eyebrow a little bit, and that line right there is obviously fucked up, guys. I think I'm probably just gonna go in with makeup remover and just fix that. It should look kind of like that. We're gonna go ahead in the inner corner and apply a little bit more product. We want to keep this look as dramatic as possible. All right, y'all, what you're gonna want to do is go ahead with a powder puff or a sponge or anything of the sort. Go ahead with some HD finishing powder. Pat that in. Set it so you can give yourself like the perfect canvas for all the bright colors that you're about to place. This line up here is obviously kind of uneven, but who cares? I think I do a little too much, otherwise I wouldn't have brought it up. We have primed both eyes, so now we're gonna go ahead and start with the colors, the fun part. Oh my god. Morphe X Nyan palette that I've been using for the last 7 years probably. Orange shade right here. The brighter the better. Girl, no, we're gonna start with the blue. Tap that into the inner corner, making sure to cover up as much white as possible. Super cute. Oh my god. If only you could see my face right now. I just love talking about sex. Sometimes I just want to come here and like talk about sex, but not in like a like talking about sex way, but like in a like scientific way almost, because like honestly I'm like, should I even be like, I don't even know if I should become a psychologist. Like I should become a sexologist, honestly. Like I'd be so good at that job. I'd literally be the best sexologist ever. Like especially gay sex, bro. Little by little, start taking the color upwards. The reason why you're doing it little by little is because you want to make sure that every little area on your eye gets an even amount of product and the best color payoff. If you're like me and you're using old ass eyeshadows, it might be a little harder to actually like get the shit to stick or get the shit to look good. I'm gonna grab this blending brush now, blend out the harshness a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back into the orange and then just start packing that shit on, bro. Ew! This shit got brown in it or something that's just making my eye look dark. Goodbye, I was literally just singing this song earlier. In my apartment. And it's the Tortured Poets department. I think some things leave a little space right there. Just a small, slight space. Go ahead and blend that. The rest of the orange downwards a little bit. I'll go ahead and basically just wing that off like that. It's gonna look very, very stupid, but that's just because we haven't cleaned it up. Obviously. You smoked then, and grab another packing brush or blending brush or whatever you got. We're gonna go into the brightest yellow we can find. We're gonna pack it right in that little space right there. Who's gone? Pack that in and then grab your orange brush. Don't grab any more product. Right at the edge, that line right there where the yellow meet the orange, go ahead and blend that out. Blue, grab the brush, use the blue on, but do not grab any more blue. Blend that line right there. Just me, or does this kind of look stupid? You know what? Okay, I'm getting paranoid. All right, so we just put orange on the lid, so on the other eye, we're gonna do orange in the inner corner. The tongue in your mouth. I'm gonna go ahead with the blue and place that on the lid. So your common sense. She looks kind of like I'm gonna grab a Q-tip and a little bit of micellar water or makeup remover, or even just a makeup remover wipe, and then just like get your fingernail and like go along basically that right there. I'm probably gonna have to go along the top up there and then I'm gonna have to replace the color. e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm way too close. I just realized, I was like, girl. If you're a Lana Del Rey fan, what era are you in right now? Are you in your Born to Die era? Are you in your Ultraviolence, Honeymoon, Lust for Life, Norman? Like, let me know. Right now, I'm in my Ocean Boulevard era. I think I've been in my Ocean Boulevard era like basically since that album came out. Try to have a honeymoon summer, but I can never have a honeymoon summer. All right, this is the gayest conversation ever. Let's just continue. Oh, camo color corrector, camel toe color corrector. Go ahead and correct the beard area because I got a lot of fucking hyperpigmentation from shaving, bro. I be going to the dermatologist. Well, liar. Been in like fucking 2 years, 3 years. Should probably go, but is it true that the Walgreens brand skincare is being like recalled? Because I most definitely got a fat ass bottle of a Wish Hazel toner. What would I say about that toner? I'd say that it's, I mean, the toner is a fucking toner. What is it gonna do? Tone. A bleach and tone. Like, a bleach and tone. I definitely love the Good Molecules toner better than probably any toner I've ever used. IRL filter foundation, we're gonna go ahead and use F16 and F18 and mix them together. I'm so excited to be able to only use F18, my summer shade, bitch. I'm so excited to be black and chocolate. Bitch, I'm gonna actually try to like go outside and like, you know, when you'll tell a non-black person, you'll be like, yeah, you know, I'm trying to tan. They'll be like, tan? Tan? Shut your bitch ass up. They're like, but you're already tan. Like I'm already black is what you want to fucking say. Like, go ahead and check out my Spotify in the description. The March playlist is up. Took me a while to make it because I was just listening to like a lot of, because I have like 2 different playlists. Like I have a playlist called Just for Today. So if you follow my Spotify, which you better, I have a playlist called Just for Today, and it's basically just like I switch it out every single day. Like whatever I'm listening to, whatever I want to listen to in a certain day, or just however long, I just throw it in one playlist. Like whatever I'm recently listening to, because I have so many different playlists. Like I got the like songs, I got, you know, black people music, Mexican music, you know, I'm trying to start my Brazilian music. I got all types of music, like literally white girl music. I just listen to everything. So yeah, go check out my Spotify. I feel like I have like the most goated fucking Spotify for real. Like a little bit of everything. Like you're gonna go on this in the playlist and you'll probably find something that you absolutely hate, but you will find something fire that you will want to save. So I say just go to my Spotify and check out my fucking music, y'all. Not my music, the music that I got saved. Okay. I'm feeling like, you know, real, just like, I don't know, caffeine to me is like alcohol. Like I'm feeling like real loose. Making arrangements. I will for certain manifesto. Orange liquid blush on the cheeks. We're actually low-key gonna do a lot. What happens, happens, you know. On the treadmill, but I'm coming up roses. We're gonna go ahead and set the face with the HD Orange Juvia's Place blush. Some highlighter. We're gonna use this highlighter called Dazzle. Oh, it's actually not even a highlighter. It's an eyeshadow, but I like to use it as a highlighter only because I don't have like a shade for spring that I am obsessed with at the moment. And then tap that on your hand, get all that excess powder off, and just like that real light. Okay, y'all can barely even see it. Like I won't even really have to wipe nothing off. Just enough to set everything underneath. I'm sorry, but this is just not really given. It's just like kind of boring. So I'm gonna go ahead with the orange eyeshadow actually. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a little bit of mascara. I don't like to really put lashes on for these type of looks because I want the look to speak for itself. I want the eyes to speak for itself. The blue right here under the eye. Look, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below for more makeup inspo, more anything you want to see. Okay.